from 3,590, now it's only 990. 80% off. 70% off. Imagine 20,500. Wow. 26,500. This is 9,500. 50% off. Oh, it smells so good, girl. Smell it, girl. It smells like perfume.
Oh!
Diba talagang
Shale.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Super cool. Hello mga kulas, welcome back to my channel. So, today I am going to give you a short tour here at Central Village. This is actually a big factory outlet where you can find branded clothes and shoes and almost everything you need. They have at least, I think, 150 or almost 200 shops. Tara mga kulas, pasok tayo. They also have lots of restaurants here, just in case you get hungry while shopping. This place is actually a big place, and most of the stuff or most of the things here are 70 or 80% off. So this one is Guess. Guys, look at these bags, 70% off. Again, I'm a practical buyer, so every time I buy bags or shoes, I always buy on sale. I never buy stuff not on sale. That's being practical. If you are into bags, come to Central Village. So let's say, for example, this is, where is the price? 6,590. I'm overwhelmed. 70% off. So imagine from 6,590, it's only 1,900, which is, let's say, almost 2,000 baht. And look at the design. Very classic, very elegant, easy to wear. Ang gaganda, promise. Again, I don't need these bags. I'm just saying, if you are into this kind of things, Central Village is the best place to buy. They have Giordano, Anello. Actually, most of the people that come here are tourists. If you are into, high-end brand, so eto yun. But this one is actually used, second-hand. But we have Gucci, Prada, Celine, Chanel, Hermes, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, and Saint Laurent. Diba? And it's a sale up to 90%. 27,500. Prada, second hand. 44,500. Bottega. 44,000. Again, if you are into high-end brands and you don't want to spend a lot of money, because if you buy that brand new, it would cost you 100 plus, right? But for us, because we are just ordinary people, we can only afford Guess. This one, Prada. Whoa! 33,500. But look at the material. It looks new. Small purse.
Valentino.
22,500. Wow. 26,500. Christian Dior. I would rather spend my money in traveling rather than buying this. But again, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng happiness, di ba? If it makes you really happy and it gives you joy, go ahead, splurge, spend your money. Sabi nga nila, you work for it, you earned it, then enjoy it. Look at the clothes, OMG, I don't even want to touch it. Fendi, 23,500. Girl, happy birthday. Which brand would you want?
Hermes.
Hermes, really?
Ah.
Wow, Jinky Pacquiao, statue. Whoa! Yeah, Chanel is more expensive. Look at this dress. Very simple. 44,500. And it's second hand. I wonder why they are so expensive. Because of the material, the way they did it. Perfection, kumbaga. Batista, 24,500. Nice, a casual top. Chanel. Okay? Oh my. Okay. 9,900. Wow. Thank you, Mama.
I'm up through the night. I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind.
If you are into superheroes and animations and cartoons for kids. At syempre pa tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig sa Levi's na brand. So, ito mga kules. Let's see. Polo shirt, 1,290. 3,490. 2,800. 30% off. So, ito mga kules, mango.
I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the
Ralph Lauren. Mga kules, again, because I'm not into high-end brand. Michael Kors, I think, would be middle-class brand, or I don't really care. So anyway, I'm just very eager to know how much each brand costs. This is 40% off. Ganda ng kulay, di ba?
Bet na bet.
So 27,000. The original price, 27,000 minus 40% off. So around 16,000 baht. Di ba? So talagang very pricey na rin siya. Even though, again, if you can afford it and it won't hurt your savings, go ahead. Kasi ganun ako eh. Dapat maging practical tayo, kakules. Don't buy things to impress people. Di ba, kakules?
Correct. Agree.
Buy it because it makes you happy. That's it. Oh, and they have an extra. And they have
Oh, 3 in 1.
3 in 1. 32,500. So if it's 40% off, it's like at least 18,000 or 19,000. I can only afford at least worth 2,000 baht. Yun lang talaga yung budget ko when it comes to buying shoes.
slip away, it was simpler time. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you
7,000! 50% off! 3,500! Look, kakules! It's very nice! Yeah, this is very affordable! Wow! This is 9,500, 50% off. Oh, okay. Very nice sneakers, kakules. $9,500, 50% off. How much is this? 9,000, 50% off. So 9,500, 50% off, 40% off. Look at this chunky one. 9,500, 50% off. They also have watches here. They have perfumes, not only clothes and shoes. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below and share if you like the video. 350 only, kakules. Victoria's Secret. Smells so good. Lots of brands. Bath and Body Works, they have it here. They have Jim Thompson. Of course, Kipling. Havaianas, they also have. Fila, Reebok. 70% off. 2,445 only. It's a very durable brand. From 3,590, now it's only 990. Wow, 590. Look at these cute white shoes, only 590. Super cool.
don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life.
Oh, so cute. 390 baht only.
Dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
1,077 baht. This one, also nice. Sneakers for 1,077 baht. 897 baht. Compared to Siam Premium Outlets, this one is better. Better deal. They also have Crocs here, 40 to 80% off. Ducati, 50% off. Skechers shoes, where are you? Of course, they have shirts and shorts.
Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way. Lost.
So ito mga coolest for kids. They're so adorable. Very cute, very nice. What a great deal. And the shoes, if you buy 2 pairs, it's already on sale. But if you buy 2 pairs, you get 40% more. Adidas. It's actually a big shop. Only 1,600. Look at this kakules, 80% off, 70% off. Adidas. The North Face, Under Armour. So mga kules again, lots of brands. Champion, they have Lacoste over here, Vans, G-Shock, Super Sports, up to 70% off. If you run out of money, there's so many ATM machines. Good thing mga kules, if you're a tourist, you can have a VAT refund.
I've been on. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your...
This one is 21,500, but 40% off, I think it's like around 12,000. So yeah, it's also a bit pricey. 18,900. So 40% off, 11,900. OMG, Becky. This is Kate Spade. Easy to wear, classic.
A million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars.
Mga kulas, we are going to visit Coach brand. It's actually a big shop and they have different kinds of designs. Very nice. And this one, imagine, 20,500. And the bigger version is 24,900. 18,900. But 30% off. Beach bag, very nice. But the price mga kulas, 25,900. O, diba? Lakas makamayaman ka, kules. I got so many Coach bags and Kate Spade bags because of my mother-in-law. And I actually never realized that it's quite pricey here in Thailand. I wouldn't say Coach and Kate Spade are high-end brands. Not yet. They're kind of like in the middle. So again, if you want to buy shoes and bags for cheaper prices, again, as I said, there's so many brands here, so many options, so many choices. So come visit Central Village. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes from Suvarnabhumi Airport. We took a taxi from our place, from downtown Bangkok, and the meter was around almost 300 baht, or let's say 300 baht. So again, if you are coming with friends, it's way cheaper. See you in the next vlog mga kules. Don't forget to like and comment below.